Hello everyone. Welcome to Axis Flying Tutorial channel. In this episode we bring you Vertex 5DC Frame Assembly Guide. Step 1. Prepare the cob LED strip, BB buzzer, acrylic plate and bottom plate. Solder the positive and negative terminals of the BB buzzer. Cut the leads of the color ring resistor 4 mm. Solder to the positive terminal of the LED strip. There is a small hole on the tab. Slide heat shrink tubing over the joint for insulation treatment. Peel off the protective film from the acrylic plate. Place it with the laser marked side facing up, as shown in the video. Insert the LED strip into the groove. Adjust to the proper position. Fit M312 countersunk screws and secure them to the bottom plate. Place the frame arms on the bottom plate as shown in the video. Take care not to pinch the LED strip. Run M24 screws through both sides of the BB buzzer. Install a 1 mm washer and fasten onto the bottom plate. Position the middle plate as shown. Tighten the M312 countersunk screws. Secure frame arms with 4 PCs of M310 countersunk screws. Install 4 PCs of M328 countersunk screws on the bottom plate. Pass 2 M36 countersunk screws through the bottom plate. To mount 2 M325mm aluminum standoffs. Fit molded foot pads onto the frame arms. Screw 4 PCs of M36 pan head screws into the foot pads. Step 2. Install rear antenna molded part. Insert the M224 aluminum standoff into the GPS molded part. Route the power cable into the molded antenna base, and tighten the M258 countersunk screw. Use 2 M26 pan head screws to fasten the GPS molded part and antenna base molded part. Mount the Type-C adapter with an M26 pan head. Screw onto the antenna molded part. Install the antenna adapter cable into the molded component. Add a washer and secure with screws. Fit 2 M320 aluminum standoffs onto the antenna molded part. Slide the receiver molded part onto the cooling aluminum piece. Arrange cable routing and press wires against the carbon plate. Screw in the M316 countersunk screw. Thread an M316 countersunk screw into the other end of the cooling aluminum piece, and attach the M318 aluminum standoff. Pass an M310 countersunk screw through the front lip carbon plate, and fasten into the camera aluminum mount. Step 3. Install LED strip side plate. Insert 2 M322mm aluminum standoffs into the molded GoPro mount. Install the camera spacer. Slide the side guard into the antenna molded part, and clip onto the aluminum standoffs. Use an M36 pan head screw to fix the front standoff of the GoPro mount. Then secure the molded front side guard with an M24 pan head screw. Finally, use M310 pan head screws to lock the front side plate and LED strip side plate. Step 4. Now we come to the most complicated step. Open the battery quick release hardware pack. You will get the following parts: M24 countersunk screw, spring, fixing bracket, lock latch, metal pin. The spring tail has cut ends of different lengths. Place the shorter end toward the lock latch. Fit fixing brackets onto left and right sides. Insert the whole assembly into the carbon plate hole. Secure with M24 countersunk screws. Lastly, insert the lock buckle into the top plate. Step 5. Slide the assembled top plate in from the rear of the GoPro mount. M36 countersunk screw, M35 countersunk screw, M38 countersunk screw. Install and fasten all components accordingly. Peel off the backing paper of the battery anti-slip tape. Stick it into the corresponding groove. Apply heavy-duty anti-slip tape onto the battery quick release plate. Assembly of this frame is now complete. That's all for this tutorial. Follow this channel. Learn more about FPV knowledge and video tutorials.